Embrace the natural approach. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the latest diet trends and quick fixes. But true, sustainable weight loss comes from embracing a natural approach that focuses on long-term health and well-being. Your journey to sustainable weight loss. This journey is not just about shedding pounds. It's about transforming your lifestyle and creating habits that will support your health for years to come. Losing weight can feel overwhelming. The pressure to see immediate results can be daunting, and the fear of failure often looms large. But remember, every small step you take is a step towards a healthier you. It's not about quick fixes. Fad diets and extreme measures might offer temporary results, but they are rarely sustainable. Instead, focus on making gradual changes that you can maintain over time. This is about your health. Consult with healthcare professionals to create a plan that is tailored to your needs. Incorporate nutrient-dense foods and stay hydrated to support your body's natural processes. It's about feeling your best. When you nourish your body with the right foods and stay active, you'll notice improvements in your energy levels, mood, and overall well-being. We will focus on natural changes for lasting results. This isn't a diet, it's a lifestyle shift. Small changes add up. Start by incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your meals and gradually reduce your intake of processed foods. You can achieve your goals. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small. Every achievement is a testament to your hard work and dedication. You can live a healthier life. Involve your loved ones in your journey, share healthy meals, and engage in physical activities together. Support from family and friends can make a significant difference. This is about making healthier choices. Opt for whole foods over processed ones and make hydration a priority. Simple changes like these can have a profound impact on your health. It's about moving your body. It's about managing stress. Regular physical activity and stress management techniques like meditation and deep breathing can enhance your weight loss efforts and improve your overall quality of life. You are capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself and stay committed to your goals. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Let's begin this journey together. With determination, support, and a focus on sustainable habits, you can achieve lasting weight loss and a healthier, happier life. Nourish your body, the power of whole foods. Food is fuel. Choose foods that energize you. Swap processed foods for whole foods. Think fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Prepare your meals in advance. This helps with portion control. It also makes healthy eating easier. Pack nutritious snacks. This will help you resist unhealthy cravings. Make gradual changes to your diet. Start by adding more vegetables to your plate. Then explore healthy recipes. You can enjoy delicious food while losing weight. Hydration, the flow of wellness. Water is essential for life. It's also crucial for weight loss. Water helps boost your metabolism. It also helps you feel fuller for longer. Aim to drink 8 glasses of water daily. Carry a reusable water bottle. Make it a habit to drink water throughout the day. You can add flavor to your water naturally. Try cucumber, lemon, or mint. Hydration is key for your overall health and well-being. Move your body, transform your life. Exercise doesn't have to be boring. Find activities you enjoy. Whether it's yoga, basketball, or any other sport, the key is to have fun while staying active. Walking, dancing, and swimming are great options. These activities not only keep you fit, but also allow you to enjoy the beauty of nature, the rhythm of music, and the refreshing feel of water. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Find a workout buddy. Having someone to exercise with can make the experience more enjoyable and motivating. Exercising with a friend is fun. It adds a social element to your routine, making it something you look forward to rather than a chore. It also keeps you accountable. When you have a partner, you're more likely to stick to your exercise schedule and push each other to achieve your fitness goals. Make exercise a part of your routine. Plan your workouts just like you would any other important activity. Lay out your workout clothes the night before to make it easier to get started in the morning. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Small changes like this can add up over time and make a big difference in your overall fitness. Walk or bike to work if possible. This not only helps you stay active, but also reduces your carbon footprint. Remember, every bit of movement counts. Even small activities like stretching at your desk or doing jumping jacks at home can contribute to your overall health. You don't need a gym membership to be active. There are plenty of exercises you can do at home with minimal equipment. Just move your body and have fun. The most important thing is to find activities that you enjoy and make them a regular part of your life. Whether it's dancing in your living room or playing tag with your kids, staying active can be a joyful and rewarding experience. Don't forget to include activities that promote relaxation and mindfulness, like meditation or Tai Chi. These practices can help reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Remember to stay hydrated and fuel your body with nutritious foods. Proper hydration and a balanced diet are essential for maintaining energy levels and supporting your fitness goals. Set realistic fitness goals and track your progress. This can help you stay motivated and see how far you've come. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Finally, don't underestimate the importance of rest and recovery. Make sure to get enough sleep each night to allow your body to repair and rejuvenate. By incorporating these habits into your daily life, you'll not only improve your physical health, but also enhance your overall quality of life. So, move your body, transform your life, and enjoy the journey to a healthier, happier you. Section 5, Rest and Recharge, Sleep and Stress Management. In this section, we will explore the vital role that sleep and stress management play in your overall health and weight loss journey. Sleep is crucial for weight loss. When you get enough rest, your body can function optimally, allowing you to make better food choices and have the energy to exercise. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol. This hormone not only makes you feel more stressed, but also affects your metabolism. Cortisol can lead to increased belly fat storage. This is because cortisol triggers your body to store fat, particularly around the midsection, as a survival mechanism. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. This range is optimal for most adults and helps ensure that your body has enough time to repair and rejuvenate. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine. This could include activities like reading a book, drinking a cup of herbal tea, or dimming the lights to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Create a calm sleep environment. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for rest, with soft lighting and comfortable bedding that invites relaxation. This means a cool, dark room, free from distractions. Consider using blackout curtains to block out light and keeping the room at a comfortable temperature. Stress can also sabotage your weight loss efforts. When you're stressed, your body goes into fight or flight mode, which can lead to overeating and poor food choices. Find healthy ways to manage stress. Techniques such as deep breathing, journaling, or talking to a friend can help you cope with stress in a constructive manner. Try yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. These activities can help lower stress levels and improve your overall well-being, making it easier to stay on track with your weight loss goals. Additionally, consider taking a warm bath, listening to calming music, or practicing mindfulness. These activities can further enhance your ability to relax and reduce stress. Remember, managing stress and getting enough sleep are just as important as diet and exercise in your weight loss journey. By taking a holistic approach, you can achieve better results and maintain a healthier lifestyle. Prioritize your well-being by incorporating these practices into your daily routine. You'll not only feel better, but also see positive changes in your weight and overall health. Section 6. Savor each bite. The art of mindful eating. Pay attention to your food when you eat. Slow down and chew your food thoroughly. Put your fork down between bites. This allows your body to register fullness. Avoid distractions while eating. Turn off the TV and put away your phone. Focus on the taste and textures of your food. Mindful eating helps you enjoy your food more. It also helps prevent overeating. Make each bite count. Section 7. Progress, not perfection. Consistency is key. Remember, this is a journey. There will be ups and downs. Don't strive for perfection. Focus on consistency. It's okay to have a treat occasionally. Just don't let it derail your progress. Get back on track with your next meal. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Every positive choice makes a difference. You've got this. Section 8. Embrace the journey, celebrate your success. You've learned about natural weight loss. Now it's time to put it into practice. Remember to be patient with yourself. Weight loss takes time and effort. Don't be afraid to ask for support. Surround yourself with positive influences. Celebrate your progress along the way. You are on a journey to a healthier, happier you. Embrace the process and enjoy the ride. Section 9. Your healthier, happier self awaits. By adopting these simple tips, you're investing in your health and happiness. Remember, This is not a temporary fix. It's a lifestyle change. You have the power to transform your life. Start today and never look back. You are strong, capable, and worthy of a healthy and fulfilling life. Go out there and make it happen.